Welcome back, guys. So we're going to do a slightly different video this week, as it happens to be our 1 year vanniversary. 1 year since we have started our YouTube channel, but also 1 year since we've had the motorhome.
Yeah, exactly. This day last year we were on our way to collect Sheila, and in that year we've literally had the best time. We've been all over the UK, seeing places that we've only thought about visiting. We've been to Europe.
Yeah.
And the amount of support that you guys have given to us throughout this last year has been phenomenal. So we would firstly like to thank each and every one of you who have watched us, liked us, commented, good or bad, subscribed. It's just been fantastic.
It has been really good, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So shall we show you when we went to pick up Sheila, and it was the first time I'd ever picked up a camera.
Let's go have a look, guys.
Hello.
Oh my god,
So we've been travelling now for about 2 hours on our way to get the motorhome.
2 hours.
It's only about 2.5 months late, but we're finally on our way. Here's the man butt. Can you give us a wave? He's there. Hi, we're the Rolling Rucks. This is our new motorhome channel.
I'm Stuart.
And I'm Charlie.
We also have 3 young children, Oliver, Dexter and Amelia, and we hope you guys will meet them in later videos. So this is Sheila. She's a roller team on a Fiat Ducato chassis.
Here they all are, the tribe, enjoying their first break in their motorhome. Say hello, guys.
Hello.
And who are you? Tell everyone who you are. Amelia what? The youngest one, yeah, brilliant. There we are. And just to finish you off, look, this pitch was reserved for the Rolling Rucks.
For now, from the Rolling Rucks, goodbye.
Hi.
You're supposed to put it over that, not the screen. No.
See, newbies.
No, try it again.
Okay, bye.
It is really funny for us to look back and watch that, because we recorded that, love, on a mobile phone.
Yeah.
No exterior mic.
No, it was proper basic, and I remember at the time being in the car, you were slamming us round all these bends, and I'm trying to hold it as still as I possibly could. Yeah, that was just bizarre.
And our intro.
Oh, the intro, just a little poof of confetti. And at the time we thought it was brilliant. We were like, oh my gosh, we've made our first video, and we were really proud of it. I still am proud of it, to be fair. It was the first time we'd ever done anything like that. No editing experience, nothing.
No.
And we got 9 subscribers by the end of that week, and I remember feeling, look, people are watching.
They've got nothing better to do.
Brilliant. So the next video we want to show you was when we first went on a rally.
Aberystwyth.
Yeah. And I remember having a proper strop that weekend and saying to you, oh, I really don't want to go to Aberystwyth. Oh, we're just going to be sat there in the van all weekend because, you know, we don't want to let the kids out and upset all the oldies on the campsite.
And we actually ended up having an absolute banger of a weekend.
It was class.
And Aberystwyth, what, you know, a little gem of a town, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
There were stunning things there.
Yeah, well, they had obviously Devil's Bridge. We went on that scary ass train ride.
Oh yeah, the steam train.
That at times was quite scary.
But there was really picturesque in places too. That was awesome.
That was beautiful. Then we went on that hillside tram thing, and I remember being really frightened because you were like, oh, there's no driver.
Huh?
Then, and you bought your first drone that weekend.
Yeah, we did. Wanted to get a different dynamic to the footage that we gave out, and I don't think we use it enough. Or do we use it too much?
I don't know. Leave a comment below. Let us know.
Yeah.
Do we overuse our drone?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. No. I don't think so. But, you know, when we head off to our next trip, I think we'll be getting it out a bit more.
Yeah, it needs to come out a little bit more. But that was an absolute fantastic weekend. Let's go take a look at that now. Yeah, we're on our very first rally. So today we're going to walk into Aberystwyth town, just get our bearings, and just go have a general nosy really while this place is still setting up. This is our cabin. Media beer, sweetheart. In here. What do you think, love?
Ooh.
There we are.
It's quite steep, isn't it?
It's very steep. I mean, to show you up ahead, there's the other train up the top.
Keep on the brakes.
You nervous, love?
And a bit like, oh, like You know when you get on a roller coaster and it's got to go all the way up?
Yeah.
And then it drops.
Yeah.
Like on speed.
Yeah.
It reminds me a little bit of that.
I've just realised
Yeah.
there's not actually a driver on this train.
Who drove it?
No. It's free moving.
Oh no. There's nothing to hold on to.
Oh wow. Now that's what you call a panoramic view.
That's lovely, isn't it?
I can use the wave.
Aberystwyth town.
Oh my god, that was actually the first time we ran out of gas as well.
Yeah. Not the last though, was it, love?
No. We ran out of bloody glass again last night, didn't we, love?
Yeah, 1:30 this morning.
So not only was it freezing in the van, we've now had no cup of tea. So Stu came up with this idea and I think it's pretty cool.
One of the lovely gentlemen here, he just pulled up by the side of us in his car.
His little red car, beep
Yeah.
beep, Stu,
He said,
Charles,
give us your gas, I'm gonna go find you gas. He's like, no, it's alright, we don't like putting on anybody. But he was quite insistent. So we took our gas bottle.
Take it as a compliment.
Yeah,
Because
definitely.
they obviously had a laugh with us last night.
Yeah. So he went off in his little red car trying to find us some gas. Well, about hour and a half had passed and we actually sat here having a Sunday dinner. And he rocks up and he played the old, couldn't get any, I'm sorry, it's outside your motorhome. Full. No, he saved us on the gas, so thank you very much.
We were there for the gas.
But it surprisingly ended up being a really good weekend. We made some good friends up there and the weather was brilliant as well, which helped, didn't it?
Yeah.
And that was the Motor Caravanners Club rally.
Yeah, and then from there then we decided, you convinced me to try out the first night ever wild camping. That was appalling.
Do you know what, right? Even to date, obviously we've done quite a lot of different spots since then. That is still my favourite spot, right on the beach. Nice and peaceful, really quiet, a nice little sort of small area.
Oh, it was lush. Leading up to it was absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
And we did little fire and had gorgeous views. We had the beach, like you said, everything was lovely.
So we went back there now. I think you'd appreciate it more for what it was. But let's take a look at that. So we are at our first ever wild camping spot for the night. Settled in a little bit now. Sheila is just over there. There's a couple more here. And then this is the view we've got in front of us.
We went for a walk earlier. The man but's actually cooking. He cooked a bacon bat for me this morning and now he's actually cooking a chicken curry. This is possibly the most chilled and happy I've seen him since our motorhome journey started.
I'm chilled, baby.
He does not care.
All is good. We will all have hot food in our bellies tonight, and it'll be a nice sunset, some marshmallows. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
So it's the morning of our first wild camping session. I don't think Charles slept too well. How was it, love? You enjoy your first night wild camping?
If you want to have a whole night with no sleep, then I highly recommend it. All I heard was from everyone.
Did you not relax then, love?
No, I've been a woman on the edge for nearly 14 hours. Put it this way, right, it was 2 o'clock this morning. I checked the time. I even went onto the weather app to check the sunrise so that I knew what time I could get out of bed. And ping, I was like, it's 29 minutes past 6, quick, jump out, get dressed. I had my face on, clothes on, ready to go by 20 to 7. Yeah, so as you can see from that clip there, I was very, very nervous. Got very, very little sleep. But since then, I've come a long way. I'm not so scared of the boogeyman anymore.
Yeah, we've done a lot more wild camping since you're all right now, aren't you?
Not too bad. I still have my moments, but I think if we're ever uncomfortable in Venice, you do move us on, don't you?
Yeah.
So, yeah, if the place is right, it's all right.
That's right. Right, So I thought the next thing we were going to go back and have a little look at was our winter Christmas tour of Scotland. It was the first time we had been to Scotland, and we covered quite a large area of it really, didn't we? In the, what were we there for, about 3 weeks?
Yeah.
And seen loads of it.
It was really, really good actually. I was a bit nervous. I didn't think, you know, Santa would be able to visit the van. I wasn't sure if we'd be able to do a Sunday roast.
And the Christmas tree. She's
Yeah.
like, we're not going to have a Christmas tree in the van. And we didn't know this at the time, but when we got to the site that we stayed at for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day was an actual farm for Christmas trees. So there was Christmas trees everywhere.
Yeah, we were surrounded, weren't we?
Yeah.
It was literally about, was it 3 pictures or 5?
It was a little Sheila, it was 5 pictures.
Yeah.
Stunning little place in Inverness.
That's right, and there was only there was another family opposite us, so all the kids jumped out the van first thing in the morning, had their toys out playing.
It was awesome.
It was awesome.
And then, yeah, we did our Christmas tour, and then we finished that off at the lakes, love.
Yeah. That was the Not Again. Is that the Not Again video at Lake Windermere? We ran out of gas again. New Year's Eve, you can imagine. I had a buffet, a gorgeous spread for us all, movie planned.
Fridge full of food.
Attempting to wild camp, and we realised our gas went literally 7:30 in the night, wasn't it?
And we had 2 bottles at that time as well, and we thought
No
one of them was
excuse.
half full, so yeah, there was no excuse. And then we ended up spending New Year's Day on Lake Windermere in a boat.
That's right, I was trying not to be sick the whole time. I get really seasick, so that'll be interesting next week when he makes me go on the ferry, because
that's going to be amusing.
yeah, will Charlie be sick or not? Tune in next Sunday to find out.
But let's take a look at that boat trip, that was quite funny.
Oh, it was awful. Oh, I forgot, Rosie May. Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, that just made my head spin.
I'll be your passenger.
You're going to be alright?
Dad! Dad, look!
See you in a bit. That is troppy. On a New Year's Eve morning, bearing in mind we're on a lake, that is very choppy.
Babe, it's on you.
No, I ain't driving. No, I can't, I don't like it.
No, quick.
Quick.
Finally got it to have a go. Oh, what's happened?
Oh, shut your face.
No,
Have you cut us off?
it's just stopped.
You better be joking.
We're stuck in the middle of
Oh,
the sea.
better phone for help then.
Fuck's sake.
At least we haven't drowned. Yeah. Oh, stop it now. It's making me feel sick. We're bobbing. You're an idiot.
Me too. You're an idiot. He turned the engine off.
Absolute tool.
Do you enjoy that, love?
No, I didn't. I feel sick. My stomach is just doing flips and my legs feel like I could fall over. So as you can see by that, I was green. I had to get off. I was hungover. I was a little bit miserable from the night before, I think.
Yeah, and it probably didn't help that I pretended that the boat cut out.
Yeah, actually, I forgot about that. Oh,
Funny,
I hate
though.
boats.
Much prefer a plane, don't you, love?
Yeah. Oh, well, to be honest with you, anything. It's just as long as it's a smooth ride.
Not a
no.
boat.
Not a boat.
We went to Europe. It was our first Europe tour.
Yeah, that was great. I managed to get to go on the Eurotunnel.
Yeah, she was
I
a
didn't
lot
wanna go on
happier
the
that
ferry.
time round. Here's our best bits from the Euro trip.
Oh, God.
What have you got, love? 8 bottles of wine and perfume.
Yeah, man. 40 quid. I am landed. And there's no rocking about in the motorhome because they're boxes. Yay! Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Oh, we were hoping to come on here and be like, oh, we've had a really lovely evening and we're on our merry way. We've got a bit of a problem though.
I can't get out. Apparently I had to keep the code that you get given when you come in to also get out. So I'm on the phone to the number on there and we're trying to have a conversation while he's in French and I'm in English. And all I could do was read the top of the sign that said problem getting out. And he says, I come.
Yay! So this is the spot we found. last night just as the sun set. We couldn't actually see exactly where we were. So we're parked just over there. We'll drop the what 3 words in below. And just as you turn around, this is what we are greeted with this morning. I brought the kids over here. Look how freezing they are. See if we can find some ducks to feed this morning. How lovely is this?
We're going to the Pyrenees and, more importantly, Andorra. I can't wait to get up there. We're really close. Can we go?
Yeah, let's go. Oh look, there's the sign. Andorra! Whoa, look how high it is.
Oh yeah. That is epic.
I'm absolutely pooping my panties.
You can't say that.
Why not? Look at the drop. Look, it's like...
There's a big drop.
Watch this now.
Even as a driver, it's making me nervous.
Oh no, I don't like it.
We're in Andorra, which is right in the middle of the Pyrenees. It's one of the smallest countries on this continent, and wow, is it stunning. But check this view out.
So as you can tell, the sun is only just coming up. The mountains are so high that it's going to take till about lunchtime before we start feeling warm. So
show you in a bit. But
they've learned a little bit about anatomy. You bastard! Look at my back! Yes!
you see that?
The sun!
Love it.
We have a nice view of the sea, and everyone here is actually loving it as well.
What do you think of the water, babe?
It's nice.
What makes it so nice?
It's clear, and it also makes me want to smile.
Oh, that's nice, love. Don't go too deep.
Oh, it's pushing me.
Man, that's just brought us to a site. Look at where we are. Beachfront location. And there's a gate just there for us to go and enjoy all of that. But first things first, Barcelona. This is one massively busy city. We're gonna head over there. There's some sort of palace up ahead. I like these two towers, they're cool. Gosh, that's a massive fountain, isn't it? Sheer size of it, I'll show you now.
So these are the 4 columns of Barcelona, and they were erected in the early 1900s to represent the Society of Catalans, which were trying to become an independent nation within Spain. A few years after they were erected, Spain actually became a dictatorship, and they removed any symbols of Catalans. So these actually got taken back down and obviously then re-erected later on. But these are your 4 columns, and in the back you have the Palace of Barcelona. So we hope you enjoyed that, guys. A little look back on our last year, both YouTubing and motorhoming. As most of you will know, we made the swap from caravanning, which we've done for years, to motorhoming a year ago. Would you go back?
I'm afraid to say no.
That's it. Flexibility
Too much
and
travelling.
the travel's phenomenal.
Yeah, too many things that we've seen. How many things have we ticked off our bucket list since having the motorhome?
Oh, quite a few of them.
Yeah.
The only problem is the UK bucket list has pretty much been ticked off now, so we need to go abroad again, love.
Yeah. Well, that's exactly what we're doing. So join us next Sunday. You'll see us attempting the ferry crossing and France, isn't it, before we head off into Belgium. I think that's our next destination, isn't it?
It's gonna. I think the first couple of days we're sort of gonna start heading France, Belgium, Luxembourg, and Germany. Whether we get to Germany in time, who knows?
Who knows? Who knows? Follow us to find out. If you obviously have liked this video, please make sure you leave us a like, a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell as well, because we are obviously on our travels. We will aim to release a video at 5 o'clock on Sunday as usual, but now and then we might surprise you and put one out a bit earlier, so look out for those.
Who knows? But until next time, guys.
We'll see you in a bit.
Ta-ra, guys.